Hello dear kids, very good morning and welcome back in our ENV class. Have you ever looked at the sky? What do you see in the sky during the day? We see the sun and clouds during the day. So what do you see at the night sky? We see the moon and so many stars at night in the sky. So today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 14, the sun, moon and stars. Now first we will learn about sun. We see the sun during the day. The sun is a star. The sun looks like a big yellow ball of fire. It is very hot. It shines brightly during the day. It gives us heat and light. All living things need sunlight to live. All plants and animals need sunlight to live. Plants use sunlight to make their food. Now see this first picture. It is of sunrise. Where does the sun rise? The sun rises every morning in the east. Sunrise brings us the day. In the middle of the day, when the sun shines brightly in the sky, it is called afternoon. We all wake up early in the morning because sunrise brings us the day. Now this picture is about sunset. Where does the sun set? The sun sets every evening in the west. The weather becomes pleasant. It is called evening. In evening, you all play with your friends. Sunsets brings us the night. And at night we all sleep in our home. Now we will learn about moon. When the sun sets in the west, we see the moon in the sky at night. It is a night sky. The moon does not have light of its own. It gets light from the sun. The moon looks like a big white ball. It is smaller than the sun and the earth. Sometimes you can see the moon even during the day also. If you observe the sky every night, you will notice that the shape of the moon changes. Sometimes it is round like a ball. At other times you will see parts of the moon or no moon at all. The changing shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. The moon has no air and water, so there is no life on moon. And moon moves around the earth. In this picture you can see phases of the moon. Now we will learn about stars. Look at the sky at night. There are thousands of tiny lights in the sky. These are stars. At night we often see lots of stars. They shine brightly in the sky. Stars have their own lights. Stars are very big in size, but they look tiny because they are very far away from us. The sun and the stars are bigger than the earth. If you look at the stars carefully, you will find that they make patterns in the sky. An example of such a pattern is the Great Bear. In this picture you can see pattern of Great Bear. So students, here our chapter is over. Bye bye.